Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 won't start, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty trigger or a malfunctioning battery. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, resulting in a more costly repair or complete device failure. So, let's tackle this problem head-on. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement trigger, and possibly a multimeter to check the battery's charge. First, ensure your vacuum is switched off and unplugged. Carefully remove the dust container and set it aside. Use your screwdriver to take out the screws located on the back of the vacuum. Be gentle while doing this, as you don't want to strip the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing to expose the internal components. You might notice the trigger mechanism is not functioning properly. To locate it, look for a small assembly near the top of the vacuum, usually connected to the battery. Once located, carefully disconnect any wires connected to the trigger, noting their positions for reassembly later. Now, remove the faulty trigger by unscrewing it from its housing. When replacing it, ensure the new trigger fits snugly in place, reattaching it with the screws you previously removed. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this may damage the plastic. After securing the new trigger, reconnect the wires exactly as they were. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to close the casing. Align it properly and gently press it back together. Reinsert the screws to secure it. Finally, reattach the dust container and turn on your vacuum to check if it starts up correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully fixed your Dyson SV12. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the trigger area and keep the battery charged. Also, avoid using your vacuum for long periods without breaks to prevent overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.